I'm Nick Palmer with PR Equipment Sales here in Kearns, Texas. Hey, this is kind of a follow-up to a video that we had done previously where we compared one of our Spartan mowers to a Grasshopper lawnmower. And there was a lot of you that were very passionate about your Grasshopper lawnmowers, and you didn't know the whole story. So actually, I've got a long history with the Grasshopper mower company. Ever since I was a kid, my parents own a cast iron foundry. So if you have a casting on your Grasshopper mower, there's a pretty good chance it came from my family's a cast iron foundry there in Kansas. I've actually even shot the fireworks show. My dad and I shot the fireworks show at one of their anniversaries. So y'all were beating me up a little bit about, hey, we love our Grasshoppers and they're great mowers, and I actually would agree with you. We love our Spartans, we love that product line, but Grasshopper definitely has a long tradition of building a great mower. And so I tried not to beat up on them all that bad because they do build very, very quality equipment. They have a great cut quality. They got some impressive engine options. Their front mount deck, all of those are very, very high quality. So I just think it's a little bit funny if reading through your comments, because I don't think y'all understood that I've actually got, like I say, just a really long history with this company, and we're now going to start selling the Grasshopper mower brand. So we're really looking forward to carrying a lot of the products. This here you see it was one of the 300Bs that's got a fuel injected Kohler on the back. But yeah, we're really excited because yes, the Grasshopper mower builds a very quality mower that's going to stand the test of time. So we're really excited and proud to be adding that to the lineup that we currently offer, the Spartan mowers. So we'll now be able to give you a couple different options to pick from. So maybe if you're more a traditionalist, or if you're looking, like say, for more that rugged mower, this is a good option. And of course, on the alternative, we also have the Spartan mowers, which gives us a huge product lineup and some different things to pick from. But there's some things that we really like about what Grasshopper does in terms of front mounted decks and the diesels and the different options that they do give us. So we're excited to be adding the Grasshopper brand here at PR Equipment.